we've just got back from Exmouth like a week ago. We got some coral trout from Jared from YBS because he gave it to the Sealy's household. Go check out his Exmouth drafting and design. And we've got a special guest today. It's Sam! So thanks to Jared from YBS for giving us the trout, and try and guess, put a few questions up, try and guess which boat the coral trout came from. So we'll pin you if you get it right. First person to get it right will pin you. So just try and win.
Fix that through, and you've done with that fish, haven't you, boys? You filmed it?
Yep.
Cool. I'm gonna chop it up.
Alright, just putting the lettuce in. Baby spinach mixo. Yeah, we're doing that. Also got a bit of red onion there. We're gonna chuck in.
It's more like a purple onion, but
Purple. Red.
purple red. Purple red.
Doesn't
It's
matter.
all the same colour.
Still gonna be yummy.
It's all the same colour.
Oh, this looks.
I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Chop all the stemmy bits too, because that's the best flavor.
Okay, now here comes my inner Gordon Ramsay. Not really. Over here we got the trout. We're chucking on some coating mix and some barbecue chook seasoning. There's our trout. Like Lincoln said, we'll pin you from which boat this came from. So yeah.
Thai thin noodles.
And remember the kettle. Got Nev over here.
How you going? Check this out. Look at that slab of coral trout. It's even got the colour still in it. Beautiful blue spots. Thanks to the Exmouth clan. Just going to see if it's been scaled or not.
It's not been scaled.
It's not been scaled? Yeah, rightio. So what do you want to do? Try and skin the baby.
If you want, look at that slab of meat.
I will take the skin off, eh?
If you want to.
Take the skin off, which I need a skin and filling off. If I've got it set up there.
Got another slab for another video, or maybe tonight.
Probably just gonna cut it in half or cut a bit more off of it just to.
Make it a meal for the whole family.
Woo!
Right, pass the fish over here, boys.
We're out here. We're gonna cook the fish outside. We got good old Sea Dog Ruby. Sea Dog Ruby. Bunny Snowy. You wish you could see Willow right now. Got Lincoln, asparagus. Got Nev over here,
That's how you scale, everyone.
scaling the fish. I think we've already done a video about this with the salmon.
Well, I think what the YBS boys should have done was scaled it before it got in the freezer. Note to future.
But still good. We're gonna
Yep, still good. We'll get these scales off of these and you guys can
skin them and make skin crackle
we'll make
again.
crispy skin chips.
Yep.
So I'm just using a serrated steak knife just to gently go against the grain because they've only got small scales. You can see the scales there.
Look at the difference in the colour.
Yeah.
Scaled, not scaled. Scaled, not scaled. They're a pretty fish though. Very pretty.
Ideal way to skin a fish, kids, but normally you'll start the whole fillet down from the tail. This one's a bit trickier because we're starting at the slab. But we don't mind because some of the skin off the slab, off the meat, will stay on the skin of the fish when we make our skin crackle chips. That'll come out nice. Get some salt onto that. So you boys go and put some salt on that.
Yep. Salt. Isn't salt the little one?
Here, there you go.
So, we're going to pinch that bench over there my mum's done.
Salt it up.
Salt her up. Watch that, sharp knife. We'll get these slabs into nice chunks.
And then we'll,
Flip it maybe.
we'll see you when it's on the
Now the
pan.
salt and skin should drop.
We'll see you when it's on the pan.
Got the seasoning in the fish. Mmm. Smells really good. Looks really good. What do you say about that, Lincoln?
It's stuck on my fingers.
Look, Snowy wants in on the action. Asparagus cooking. Yeah. Got the salad ready. Just waiting for the fish to be done. Oh, and the skin crackle, that'll be coming soon too.
Then how are you going to get it on?
Butter's gone in.
Not too much butter, just a little bit of butter. Alright. That's there, out of the way. Now, bang, we're going to do this quick. Mum, hold the tray, and me and Link will load these up.
Don't put me in the video.
Watch, you don't put your fingers in the oil because it'll be super hot.
Yeah, we'll be at A&E. They're big bites, eh?
There's a
We're
gap
not
there.
going to get them all in.
You don't want to cook it, overcook it.
No. It's probably enough. We'll do a second round. We'll be fine.
We'll get back to you then.
Golden brown.
Flipping the fish now. Look how beautiful that is. At least it's not that loud, so we can put music over top of it. I see a piece that I've got my name on. I got a few.
Well, we can break off one piece and have a taste tester.
Well, I've got to put it up on the plate on the left here anyway. And then cook the rest of it.
Yeah. So just wait for it to cool a little bit and break some off of one.
On a spring night where it's getting a bit warmer.
Yeah.
It's a nice night, isn't it?
It's not too cold either.
No. Little breeze, it's just perfect.
That looks just amazing.
Looks pretty good, eh?
One of the best things I've ever seen.
There you go. Give it a go.
It's not too hot.
Sam, try some of this.
I have
Tell me what you reckon, mate.
I have to.
Literally. The middle.
Yeah?
Oh, it's hot. Oh. Ah, it's so hot.
Shouldn't be too bad.
That tastes good.
Oh my god.
Thank you, Jared from YBS on the series again.
Oh. Good fish. Cold. There.
Have to admit it. So far, best fish I've ever had. Have to put it out there.
Oh, that's what you want.
Well, if I don't see you in a little bit, we'll see you when we're plating up.
Crackle.
Alright, I'm recording.
Leave enough room for the crackle.
Yeah, we'll do the crackle while we're having dinner. It'll take a little while. Right, that's the fish.
That's all the fish done.
Cool. Just plating the food up, a bit of salad on people's plates. I'm taking some water. What else?
Got some.
We have some fish and we have some garlic bread. Ooh.
Very homemade garlic bread.
Oh, totes. Got a bit of salad. You
what these bits on here?
You saw how I made that. Oh, that's some coral trout.
Chunks of coral trout, bit of asparagus, bit of pepper and salt. We've got some dried shallots to go with the top too.
Alright, you ready?
Liquid everywhere here. What have we spilt, Dad? Hats off at the table when you're eating dinner, boys. You know the deal.
It's amazing.
How amazing.
I'm gonna try it with some asparagus.
10. You say 10.
10 out of 10.
Let me try it. There you go. Oh. Coral trout straight from the northwest of WA, actually. I must admit, we didn't catch it, but we cooked it.
It's fish crackling. It's bubbled up.
So that was the skin that we skinned off the fish earlier. That was thin as. Now it's bubbled in to a nice little bit of fish skin crackling. We've got 2 pieces in there. You can hear one crackling as we. Can you hear that going? That's going to crackle up.
Almost like a little pasty, this one.
This one's like a little pasty. Probably need a little bit of oil on it. Crispen the skin. I've got a little special bottle of olive oil here. Spin this one around. We've got 100% oil. Give it a little baby squirt. You can hear that one crispening up. Bring it to the back a bit, spin it around. It's obviously crispening on one side, not the other.
You think it's like soft and crusty, but it's like hard.
Yeah.
Like a shell sort of. Like you press on it, look. It's
Yeah.
hard.
Oh, it's not crackling.
Alright, bit of crunchy fish, here we go. Where do we start?
Oh.
I don't know.
Who's doing the honours?
Alright, I'll do the chopping. You got a video footing,
Yeah.
bit of footage again.
Oh.
Listen to that.
Oh, is it gonna be chewy?
I'll do the honours.
Is it gonna be chewy?
Let's see.
Chewy fish skin. Give it a go. Tell me what you think.
That's good.
Oh, sounds pretty crunchy, doesn't it?
Tastes like real pork crackle to me.
Tastes like pork crackle.
Actually does.
Mmm. Very strong. Yeah.
Good though.
Not bad. I think pork crackle's better.
Just a bit.
Not bad.
I really need to eat this, but I wouldn't eat it every day.
I wouldn't eat it every day. Should we keep it in the warmer overnight? Just leave it?
I reckon.
So, just like to thank Jared and the YBS crew again for the coral trout, and thanks to the Sealies for giving us the coral trout. Thanks to the chickens for laying the eggs in the garden. So that's the only reason they got the fish. So thank you to everyone that I just said. I hope you enjoyed the cooking video.
If you want to see more, subscribe. You can give the video if you like it, and we'll see you next time. Shaka.
Oh, I didn't film it. Was I filming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, cool, yeah.